Oh, this sounds fun. Thank you, Shadow. Thank you. Oh, no problem, guys. I'm so ready to have fun with you. Yep, you sure did, Shadow. You sure did. Oh, Christopher, you're watching? I did not expect that. I totally did. Let's keep playing. Come on, let's go. Ah! Alpha! Alpha! Yeah. Oh, what is it, Mason? Is this anything bad? Yes, it is bad. First back. They're here to attack. What? I'm gonna call the whole pack now. Guys, I called this club meeting because there's an attack. And I will be your alpha. Because Thunder, he betrayed us to be the alpha. But I lied to him. Wait, there's an attack going on? Yes, Mystic. I mean Malibu. Everyone, it will be starting right now. Let's go. One little favor, Mason. You know you're a small fox, right? Yeah? I have something, and you better listen very carefully. What? Yes. Take the pups and hide. What? You want me to run away with them? Yes, you have to go now. Take the pups somewhere. We'll find you, don't worry, we'll find you. Okay, come on, pups. Oh my gosh, we're bigger than Mason. Yeah. Come on. Oh. And the rest of us will fight. But sir, I'm a regular wolf. You're a regular wolf. Shadow is, this one has paralyzed. That our wolf has paralyzed. And Malibu's a fox. And I'm a dog. Yeah, so how will we fight? We have to try our hardest. I don't want anybody to die. You hear me? If you die, we will. Do a few. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go now. It looks like you met again, Christopher. And this time I'll kill you. Frost, get out of my territory, or else I'll kill you. Well, no. You want to attack? Fine. Attack! I'll make sure to enjoy. Thunder? Rose? No, get off me! Huh? Sally? Hello? No, I thought you were dead. I'm alive. I've caught that. He died. What? From Frost? I'm glad. And I'll kill you for him. I'll make sure she'll enjoy. I don't really want to do this. Yes, same Shadow. If you stop flirting with me, I won't kill you. Alright, deal. Fine, but we'll fight this one. What? Get off! Who am I fighting with? Get off! Guys, all of them down. Good job. Put blood on them. And don't leave any alive. Oh, don't. Ow. Ow. That's a specific injury, Sally. Ow! My side! Ow! Ah! That's really bad. Let's say, ah! Oh, don't! Ow! Ow! That was the best injury I had so far. Ah! Hurting my neck. That's what I do. You paid for this. Get off me. Foss, I hate to say it, but you have a better injury than me. What? Give it up yet. Never. Alone! No, it's the side again. No, don't even tell me. It's getting worse. Ow! Ow! You're hurting me. Ow! Okay. My eye! My eye! That's a specific injury. Ow. You're too hard to put blood on. Leave my pad. Whoa! Done. Mason, I killed somebody. Oh, good. You did very fast. Okay. Let's get the kids away. And we'll go fight. In here. We need to listen to us very carefully. Stay hidden, really the fight. No! They left us! No! Is Mommy gonna die? No. She won't die. Our pack's doing pretty good. Yeah. Ow! Oh, no, you won't. Ow! Wait a second. Wait, are you my father's... Are you Christopher's father? My father's grandfather? Yes. No way to do this. But I want to. Okay, I won't. Let's still help Christopher defeat Frost. Okay. Emilio, come on, you can more damage than that. You can do more. Ow, my leg. Pops! Wow, Christopher, you can do more damage than that! Rose, ow, my leg. You okay? Ow. You okay? I'm okay. But look at you. I'll be fine, don't worry. Frost, that was your last chance. What? No, you cannot defeat me like this. Please don't defeat me. I'm sorry. Guys, we won. Not so fast. Oh no, maybe not.